take a picture of you. Everything's better in black and white. Everything's better in black and white. In black and white. Black and white.
Righty, we have the Johns with us here in the Live Lounge. Boys, how are we? Right, and at a little nifty 15, we have Interrobang with Don't Try. It is up 2 places. This track refuses to leave the charts, it would seem. Absolute belts this. Have a go, guys. Interrobang, Don't Try.
We all just get along. Stereotyping people just ain't on. Most of the time, they're all wrong. They're all wrong. They're all wrong. Just cause I've got a hat and a hood, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get mojo. I won't dig up on you from behind, or even rob the blind. That shit ain't right. Like kids being introduced to the crack pipe, not getting taught to read and write. The right's from wrong, it don't take long. That's gonna be a completely different song. This is about stereotyping people for real. It happens those days, yeah, it's real. Don't go over no one else's style. If you think it's new, then you're in denial. It's like you see now, you're fucking insane. Have you got a clock going to the vein in your brain? Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no. Call me a chavan and I'll call you a prick. Call me a chavan and I say you're talking shit. Call me a chav, I say you've got it all wrong. Don't call me a chav, now correct me if I'm wrong. But saying chav is as bad as being sexist or a crazy man being racist, making people feel alienated. It's this type of shit that make kids act like tits, bounce around getting ass with a kicks. It doesn't matter if you're a mosher or even a chav. All of those words are just as bad. Every time they said it makes people conform to a typing people for the clothes that are worn. The music they listen to, you're one of them and take a bang, say fuck you. Yeah, you say fuck you. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Righty, and at number 14 this week we have the magnificent The Johns with the Justice song. It is down 5 places this week. They've just been taking part in that Merseyrail train competition, haven't they? If you go onto the Johns Facebook page there, you'll see Mick giving this tune a little blast outside there. Very nice job too. You can still see some girl looking and going, and that's alright, that. Have a go with this, The Justice song.
works of love, but the odds of finding this mixed up mind that is life. It's a long old grind and a tough old fight, but I know that we can win tonight. I keep looking down and stop those people who take us to the ground. Oh yeah. What I do to the people who kill, I find the culprit and show them the bill. Now let me pick the ones who don't deserve to die. Let me change the future from the sky and stop these crimes before they happen. And all the people who the cons are trapping, get rid of all those schemers. And I'd love to really help those hopeful dreamers. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm a nowhere man, but I'd love to have the world at my command. As long as I can dream a change, I'll make the world start again. No, no, no.
This is Roundtown Radio, and we took time out to talk to Narazing. Hello, Narazing, and how has your stay been in the UK? Tell us a little bit about that.
I'm pissed with all this fucking rain. Go to England, they say. Have a good life, they say. I traveled 5,000 miles in a fucking shoebox to put up with this crap. David Cameron is a cunt. Not only does he eat pig, he shags its head. He has sex with animals we would not put on a sandwich.
Some pretty harsh words. Do you think you'll be staying in the UK long?
Fuck you.
Righty, and up next we have a brand new entry from, oh god, I'm going to say this wrong again. he told me how to say it the other day as well. Let's see if I can find it before he has to tell me off again. I was calling him the Wrath, but it's not the Wrath. Bollocks, you know, I said to myself earlier that I was gonna get on top of this and sort it out. Let's just have a look here. Oh, bear with me just a minge. Yeah, a new entry from the Wrath, laughing my ass off. You know to pronounce it with a silent W, but they're all in there. It's not the Wrath, it's the Wraith. Too easy to pronounce it. No, I'm still going to say it wrong. I'm gonna have to give him a bell and just ask him about that one. Oh well, I'll shut up and quit while I'm ahead. Anyway, this week's number 13. It is called "What the Fuck Is with the Wars and the Scamming Suits." Sorry, that writing was a little bit little. Oh, Doug, press play. Ta-da.
Dying, nothing ever seems to change. Just names in the paper, countries up in arms, the wars just rage. People don't care where the hell you're from unless you express yourself with bombs. Politicians and terrorists, you're tearing our world apart. All our customs you don't care to know, we're just another place for your religion to grow. Striking fear into our lives. Just how long till we're all picking up knives? Everywhere I've ever been, and just about everything I've ever seen. Every time I close my eyes, I see the world on fire. The pain inside it burns so deep, and all the people I see are sheep. The governments just simply need to fall. Get these politicians lined up against the wall. Every day, every country, wars are raging around the world. It's unending, it's incomprehensible. It's not even a word. Why does everyone have to die? All these banks and their political chums just expect us folks to pick up guns, travel right across the world to fight some crazy war, with no concern for what's going on, while Great Britain has clearly gone totally insane. Our whole country has gone down the drain.
Like to say a big thanks as well to today, guys, for filling out that survey for us. A lot of great feedback come from that survey. Nice to know only 2 people think I'm a wanker as well. I think that's quite refreshing. That I was a bit worried when I put that out there. You know, it might have been a case of the truth. It's one of them. But yeah, thanks very much for filling that in, guys. On all your points have been noted, should we say? Right, we have another brand new entry in, guys, this week. It is from David Neville King. He's brought us a song called Spider. This is a brand new entry. I like this song. If you listen to the lyrics, they are very good. When I first got the song, it said Spider. I was a bit like a song called Spider. Don't know how it's going to work, but yeah, listen to the lyrics. Works very nice. Don't forget, give it a listen, give it a share. Get it back in our top 20 next week, preferably higher.